If you're a motorcycle enthusiast, you need to know how to maintain your ride like a pro. Let's get started. First up, check your tire pressure regularly. Underinflated tires can be dangerous and affect your bike's performance. Next, change your oil every 3,000 miles or as recommended by your bike's manufacturer. Clean oil keeps your engine purring smoothly. Don't forget to inspect your brakes. Worn-out brake pads need immediate replacement to ensure safety. Lastly, keep your chain well lubricated and properly tensioned. A well-maintained chain means a smoother ride and a longer lifespan for your bike. Remember, a little DIY maintenance goes a long way in keeping your motorcycle in top shape. Ride safe and ride smart.